Hello, hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So we're going to be doing this cross tonight. I got this cross at Dollar Tree for $1. And then I was telling y'all the other day, or showing y'all rather, that I got these music books when I was out thrifting. And so I'm just using a page from my thrifted music book to, we're going to Mod Podge it on to the cross. So just trace out your cross. Onto your paper. Alright, and then once you get that done, see, I don't know if you can see how I traced mine or not on there. I can see it though. I'm going to cut it out. Y'all, I'm just cutting out my cross that I traced onto my music paper. Okay. So there's my cross that I cut out. So the next step is we gotta Mod Podge it to the cross, to the wood cross. So I'm just taking my Mod Podge and a foam brush. I get these at Dollar Tree. You can get small little bottles of Mod Podge at Dollar Tree, but I use a lot of it. Well, I shouldn't say a lot, but I do use it often. So I always get the big one at Hobby Lobby. This is $8.99 regular price, but I'm sure I got it on sale, probably 40 off. So just put you a good coat of Mod Podge all over your star. See, like that? I don't know if y'all can tell, but and then stick your music paper to it. Voila. And then, you know, rub it down. All right, so I'm going to take my my heat gun and dry it a little bit too before I put the second layer on, okay? Okay, that's good. Okay, so then I'm going to Mod Podge over the top of it. That's what seals it. Okay, I'm going to try to go over this and get a little bit of this off because I got it really on there really thick. And it's bubbled up in a couple spots, but it don't have to be perfect. It just has to be cute. So don't worry about that, y'all. I'm going to take the heat gun again and go over it again. All right. We're just about there, y'all. Just about. So, this is what you have now. You can see. The next step is we're going to take a sanding block. Y'all, this is a pain in the butt. Sorry. All right. So you're just going to sand the edges to get the paper that's hanging over off. Just go around and sand all your edges. All right. So there, that's what you have after you go around and sand it. It's like that. And then the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take, I have this Waverly Antique Wax. You can get this at Walmart. It's like $6 or $7 for that thing of it, but it lasts a long time. And I'm going to take me another one of my little foam brushes that's from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go around the edges. You see how I just did that edge? Excuse me. Well, hello, Miss Eleanor. Y'all hear my cat? One of them. Wow. Okay. So then I'm going to take just a baby wipe and dip it in here just a little and get just a little bit. And I'm going to rub it to kind of stain the back of it. I don't want it, you know, thick. But I want it to have some color. See? You just dip it in there and get you a little bit. Alright, y'all see how I just stained that? And then I'm going to go around just the edges of the paper. See how I'm just giving it just a little bit of color on the edges of the paper. Not a lot, just a little bit. This is what we have so far. That's the back, that's the front, and then you can see the edges where I just put a little bit of brown on them. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is, y'all, we're almost done. This is so easy. I'm going to take some ribbon, cut some ribbon. Good. So I'm just using some like real thin, like see-through ribbon. I got this one at Dollar Tree. And then I have this lace ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby. This other one I got at Walmart. So you just have to look around when you're out, you know, shopping to find, you know, the stuff you like at good prices. That's what I always do. I just look around. You know, stuff that I know I'm going to use a lot of. Okay. I think that should be long enough. It's going to be long enough because that's where we cut it. Okay, so I'm going to take these 3 pieces of ribbon and lace, and I'm just going to tie them in a knot in the center. Okay. And then I'm going to glue them right in the center of my cross. So see how I just tied it in a knot? And I'm going to glue it right here in the center of my cross. Like towards the top of the center, I should say. So just put you a dot of glue where you want it and then just stick it on there. And then the last thing we have to do, y'all, is put a piece of bling on it. I think I like this one. It's got pearls and a big old like diamond looking thing in the center. Of course, we all know it's not real, but that's what I'm going to put in the center. Whoops. So just put you some glue on the back of it. And then stick it right in the center, you know, where your knot was on your ribbon. And hold it down for a couple seconds. Then I'm going to trim my ribbon up a little bit. But y'all, isn't that cute? We went from this to this. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And if you want to, you can poke through that hole, you know, right there, and put a hanger back on it. I took the hanger off. That's all I have for y'all tonight. So I hope y'all all have a great night and a great day tomorrow. And get out and get some sunshine. It's good for you. Good for the soul. So anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you guys.